So I have very little time because the sun is just coming into my face, so I have to keep shifting. Because the room is 1 square meter, I don't have much space. So this video is gonna be very short. Today we are gonna be talking, playing and learning Toque de Benguela, which is the bass rhythm, one of the bass rhythms in Capoeira Regional style groups. Benguela is an amazing example of Berimbau dictating what's happening in the roda. So Mestre Bimba would use Benguela, Toque de Benguela, to calm down the roda if it heated up too much, or maybe if he wanted to do a bit more relaxed type of capoeira roda. It's simple but a bit confusing rhythm because it's kind of difficult to distinguish what the bass rhythm is, okay? So starting with this. Right? So 2 notes, and you would think is that the rhythm? Well, I found some references. This is Benguela rhythm, like a bass rhythm, okay? So I come from Capoeira Regional group, that's where I started, and the way we played Benguela was like this. Okay, so this is the Benguela rhythm I've learned. This was my bass. But it turns out this is a contemporary way of playing Benguela. Again, based on the research I've done, the bass traditional Benguela rhythm is only with 1 ding. And it is interesting rhythm because if you compare this to Toque de Angola, Sambento Grande de Angola, this one you kind of start in the middle, so you skip the first ch. Although, again, I found another reference to Benguela to play this rhythm with all the notes. So which one is correct? I think all of them are correct. You need to probably ask your teacher, your master. I believe the traditional way of playing Benguela, the bass rhythm, is only 3 sounds. And then adding more and more is more kind of like a repique. And speaking of repiques, here are a few examples for you to practice, just so you can get amazing at the berimbau. Another one. Let's try this one. Let's do one more, why not? So I'm gonna stop here because the sun is already going into my eyes, so my time is up. So a little bit of explanation for Benguela today, few repiques, few exercises for your berimbau practice. That's it, enjoy and I'll see you in the next one.